Hey everybody, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. We are on a Saturday afternoon of goofing around. Come along with us.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Yeah, so we met Taylor and Peyton at this park.
Hi.
You guys remember Taylor? And there's Peyton over here. Go get Peyton.
Hey guys, can you wave? Hi. Hey, Peyton. Silly girl. Peyton.
She's trying to hide from me. Peekaboo. What you see? Can you see it? Yeah. Yeah. You have fun at this park? Yeah, let's let this. Oh, yeah. Cool. All right, you have fun.
Is there ice in there?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, wow. That's cool.
Is he teeth?
Yeah.
No, it's dry.
Oh, I'm too big. I'm too big. Should I try? Okay.
No, it's dry.
Okay. Okay, now you. You gonna go down? Come on down. Come on. Oh, okay. All right, you guys. Yeah, just some good family time. Hey, bye. Good to see you. See you guys.
Bye. Well, we're gonna give Nona a
Oh.
kiss really quick. Wanna give Papa J a kiss? Yeah, but now you're
Come on, come on. All right.
Oh, you're sweaty. You working up a sweat?
You
A
know,
lot of running.
Pueblo Grande Museum, Archaeological Park.
Archaeological dig.
Yeah, come on in with us. Okay, guys, we're in. We just went in the front, just came out, paid $5 a piece for seniors, 55 plus. And we're just barely over 55 plus, so don't. Okay, there's some ruins there. Bright ancient house. What did I say this trail was, like two-thirds of a mile or something?
2/3 of a mile. We passed the interpretive mound.
Gotcha. Yeah, this is Phoenix. Sky Harbor Airport is literally right here. I'm sure yep, here comes a plane right now. Sky Harbor, busy airport. Yeah, I think they discovered it, or they started it, named it Pueblo Grande, around 1929. Oh, dumb. Boy, there. It was a busy place too. But this was the Hohokam Indians, and they dated this little city back to 500 AD, or probably before, and it grew and thrived. You'll see here they have a little canal system, but the largest it got was over 1,000 people in the 1300s. Then apparently the Salt River, which is right over here, flooded really bad sometime in the 1400s, and it kind of chased them all away. So yeah, it survived and thrived for about 1,000 years. The O'odham oral tradition recalls that when the time came to eliminate the leader, Oem Nui Savan, or Yellow Buzzard, he cast a spell that made it appear that the Vaki was made of solid rock. Hodi Vaki. When his attackers discovered that the house on the top was made of Akatila stems, it was destroyed easily, and Oem Nui Savan was defeated. Okay. The first archaeological excavations of the platform mound took place in May and June of 1901. See, they put a drain in there. It's kind of hard to picture what these looked like. This room is located at one of the highest points on the mound. It's fitted with a corner doorway right here that faces northeast.
This is the one that's on the south.
At sunrise on summer solstice and sunset on winter solstice, a shaft of light stretches from one doorway to the other. Okay. Kind of hard to believe. Oh yeah, 600 years ago, people were living here. Okay, this is the northwest compound. A complex block of rooms and open courtyards that was constructed between the platform mound and a massive adobe wall, 3 feet thick and 8 feet high, that once enclosed the mound on all sides. That's what it looked like. Yeah, this canal right here was first built in 1888. It's called the Old Crosscut Canal. And for those of you that are familiar with Arizona, we have CAP, C-A-P, Central Arizona Project.
Yeah.
That brings us water from the Colorado River, from the Salt River, and we have several lakes here in Arizona too. Okay, the Hohokam suburbs. 1300 AD. Windy days this past several months. Usually just isn't this windy in the Valley of the Sun. Okay, cool. Now we're talking. Storage. Yeah, I'm guessing there'd probably be 2 families that lived here. Pit house and adobe house. The pit house is right over here. We'll walk over there. Pit house replicas are closed. Oh, okay. That's cool. Looks like they used the ribs from saguaro. When a saguaro dies and all the green falls off, it has these ribs, kind of, for lack of a better term. Okay, apparently this, they call this the ball court, where they played games here. Nobody knows exactly what they played, but all sorts of games.
Bring rain, social gathering, peaceful distribution of goods, traditional crafts.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess they had to have fun back then too. Okay. Now we're inside the museum. Some old pottery. Okay, here we go. So that's what it kind of looked like. Mesa, Tempe. Okay, here we are right here. Oh, that's all the little settlements.
How do they know that?
Hmm?
How do they know? That's where they all live.
Probably digs. Yeah, these are all. Okay. So quiet in here. So I'm talking quiet. Okay, here's some interesting art. Go back here and check it out. Okay, this is what I was talking about, the saguaro ribs, for those of you that don't know. Okay. Kind of dark back here, hopefully you guys can see. Trade networks. It's amazing what they can find and figure out. Trade networks, pottery, obsidian, whatever that is,
Stone.
argillite, shell.
Turquoise.
Huh.
Oops, there's obsidian out here.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. That was kind of interesting.
I like it. I've been wanting to come here for a while, so that was pretty cool to see. I mean, I thought I would see it a little bit more, but that was pretty neat.
Yeah.
Kinda have to let your imagination go.
Amazing how many settlements there were in the
Wow.
in the desert here.
No kidding.
Pretty much all close to the Salt River, though, so they had water.
And they dig their own canals.
Yeah, amazing. But anyway, we're going to wrap this up right here, you guys. We love each and every one of you. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. We will catch you
At our next adventure.
in a few days. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, you guys, here we got a little bit of a fire sky. Wow, it seems like the month of January, you guys saw that. We were getting fire skies every night. And this is the first one in, a few weeks here, several weeks. So, oh yeah.